Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Shocking bone health secrets. Often overlooked by doctors today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects millions, but often overshadows more glamorous health discussions. Bone health. You might think you know everything there is to know about keeping your bones strong, but what if I told you there are shocking secrets that even some doctors overlook? In this video, we'll uncover hidden truths about osteoporosis and bone health that could change how you think about your skeletal system. We'll start by exploring the common misconceptions surrounding bone health. Many believe that only older adults need to worry about their bones, but bone health begins much earlier. We'll discuss how lifestyle choices, nutrition, and stress can significantly impact bone density, often in unexpected ways. Next, we'll reveal some surprising factors contributing to bone health, such as the role of specific vitamins and minerals frequently ignored in standard medical advice. Did you know that some common medications can weaken your bones? We'll break down the science behind this and provide actionable tips to mitigate these risks. We'll share real-life stories and expert insights throughout the video to keep you engaged and informed. We aim to empower you with knowledge to help you take charge of your bone health, regardless of age. So, if you're ready to discover the shocking truths about osteoporosis and learn how to protect your bones effectively, stick around. You will want to get the eye-opening information we have for you. Let's get started on this journey to better bone health together. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. The hidden cause of osteoporosis, it's not calcium deficiency. When we think about osteoporosis, the first thing that often comes to mind is calcium deficiency. While calcium is essential for bone health, it's far from the only player in the game. This section will explore some surprising factors contributing to osteoporosis, revealing a more complex picture of what truly affects our bones. First, let's talk about lifestyle factors. Stress is a significant yet often overlooked contributor to bone health. Chronic stress can lead to elevated levels of cortisol, a hormone that, when produced in excess, can weaken bone density over time. Additionally, inflammation in the body, whether from poor diet, lack of exercise, or other health issues, can also play a detrimental role in bone health. Inflammation can interfere with the body's ability to absorb essential nutrients, further exacerbating the risk of osteoporosis. Speaking of nutrients, vitamin D is crucial for calcium absorption and bone health. Many people need to be aware that even the best calcium intake will only be effective with adequate vitamin D. This vitamin helps regulate calcium and phosphate in the body, which are vital for maintaining strong bones. Other nutrients, such as magnesium and vitamin K2, also play significant roles in bone density and should be addressed. Moreover, hormonal imbalances can be a hidden cause of osteoporosis that many don't consider. For instance, decreased estrogen levels in women during menopause can lead to rapid bone loss. Similarly, low testosterone levels in men can also contribute to reduced bone density. Understanding these hormonal influences is essential for anyone looking to maintain healthy bones. By recognizing these surprising factors, we can take a more holistic approach to preventing osteoporosis and promoting better bone health. Let's continue to uncover the hidden truths that can empower us all. New hormone discovery, a breakthrough for bone health. In the ever-evolving field of bone health research, recent discoveries regarding hormones have opened up exciting new avenues for understanding and treating osteoporosis. One of the standout players in this arena is osteocalcin, a hormone produced by osteoblasts, the cells responsible for bone formation. Osteocalcin is crucial in bone metabolism and influences energy metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Studies have shown that higher levels of osteocalcin are associated with increased bone density, suggesting that this hormone could be a critical factor in maintaining strong bones. Another hormone that has garnered attention is leptin, primarily known for its role in regulating body weight and energy balance. However, recent research indicates that leptin also significantly impacts bone health. Leptin inhibits bone formation while promoting bone resorption, which can decrease bone density if not correctly balanced. This dual role highlights the complexity of hormonal interactions in the body and their implications for bone health. These discoveries have profound implications, especially for osteoporosis treatment. Understanding how osteocalcin and leptin function could lead to new therapeutic strategies that target these hormones, offering more effective ways to prevent and treat osteoporosis. For instance, enhancing osteocalcin levels or modulating leptin's effects could pave the way for innovative treatments beyond traditional calcium and vitamin D supplements. As we delve deeper into the relationship between hormones and bone health, viewers should consider how their hormonal health can impact their bone strength. Factors such as diet, exercise, and stress management can all influence hormone levels, and by prioritizing hormonal balance, we can take proactive steps toward maintaining healthy bones. Join us as we explore these groundbreaking discoveries and their potential to revolutionize bone health. Is fasting good for building bone? Fasting has gained popularity in recent years, not just for weight loss, but also for its potential health benefits. But what about its effects on bone health and density? In this section, we'll investigate the intriguing relationship between fasting and bone regeneration, drawing on scientific studies that shed light on this topic. Research has shown that intermittent fasting can positively and negatively affect bone health. Some studies suggest fasting may promote bone regeneration by enhancing autophagy, which cleanses damaged cells and regenerates new ones. This cellular renewal can lead to improved bone density and strength. Additionally, fasting may help reduce inflammation, which is beneficial since chronic inflammation can negatively impact bone health. However, it's essential to consider the potential risks associated with fasting. Prolonged fasting or extreme caloric restriction can lead to nutrient deficiencies, particularly calcium and vitamin D, which are crucial for maintaining strong bones. Furthermore, if fasting leads to significant weight loss, it may result in decreased mechanical loading on bones, which is necessary for stimulating bone formation. Therefore, while some forms of fasting may offer benefits, it's crucial to approach this dietary practice cautiously. As we explore the effects of fasting on bone health, viewers should reflect on how their dietary practices can influence their bone strength. Incorporating balanced nutrition, including adequate protein, vitamins, and minerals, is vital for supporting bone health, especially if they consider fasting part of their lifestyle. In conclusion, while fasting may hold promise for enhancing bone regeneration, striking a balance is essential. Understanding how fasting interacts with bone health can empower you to make informed dietary choices that support your overall well-being. Join us as we continue to unravel the complexities of nutrition and bone health. How do you measure bone health? DEXA, TBS, REMS? Understanding the various methods available to assess bone health is crucial for effectively preventing and treating conditions like osteoporosis. This section will explore the most commonly used techniques, including the DEXA scan, trabecular bone score, TBS, and radiographic evaluation of metabolic status, REMS. The DEXA scan, or dual energy X-ray absorptiometry, is the gold standard for measuring bone mineral density, BMD. This non-invasive test uses low-dose X-rays to assess the mineral content in your bones, typically focusing on the hip and spine. The results are expressed as a T-score, which compares your bone density to that of a healthy young adult. A lower T-score indicates a higher risk of fractures and osteoporosis, making the DEXA scan an essential tool for early detection and monitoring of bone health. In addition to DEXA, the trabecular bone score, TBS, provides valuable insights into bone quality. TBS analyzes the texture of the bone using data from the DEXA scan, offering a more comprehensive view of bone health. It helps assess the microarchitecture of trabecular bone, which is crucial for understanding fracture risk. This additional layer of information can be particularly beneficial for individuals who may have normal BMD, but still face a heightened risk of fractures. Another vital assessment tool is the radiographic evaluation of metabolic status, REMS. This method evaluates the overall metabolic status of bones through standard X-rays, helping to identify conditions that may affect bone health, such as metabolic bone diseases. Regular bone health assessments using these methods are vital for prevention and treatment. By staying informed about your bone density and quality, you can take proactive steps to maintain strong bones and reduce the risk of fractures. Join us as we delve deeper into the importance of monitoring bone health and the steps you can take to ensure your bones remain strong and resilient. We've learned that bone health is influenced by various factors beyond just calcium intake. Lifestyle choices, hormonal balance, and even the impact of stress and inflammation play significant roles in maintaining strong bones. Additionally, we've discussed the importance of understanding the functions of hormones like osteocalcin and leptin, and the potential benefits and risks of dietary practices like fasting. It's clear that understanding bone health requires a more comprehensive approach than traditional beliefs might suggest. By recognizing the multifaceted nature of bone health, we can take proactive steps to prevent osteoporosis and promote overall well-being. Regular assessments, such as DEXA scans and trabecular bone scores, are essential in this journey, allowing us to monitor our bone density and quality effectively. We hope this video has provided valuable insights and encouraged you to think critically about your bone health. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more informed you are, the better you'll be able to make choices supporting your bones. We encourage you to engage with our content if this information is helpful. Please subscribe to our channel for more enlightening discussions on health and wellness. Remember to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from learning about bone health. Explore our related content to learn more about this vital topic. Together, we can empower ourselves and others to take charge of our bone health and live stronger, healthier lives. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.